What is up, guys? Welcome back to Fishing Kingdom. I just want to start this video off by saying thank you for the first 1,000 subscribers. It's been a journey. Jen and I are excited about it. So excited about it that we actually decided to make a video at Lake Amador. In this video, you guys are going to see some new tricks, and I hope you guys learned something new. Enjoy the fishing, guys. Cool. Look at the camera. We are about to take off over here at like 6:30 in the morning at Lake Amador. We got the little pond flat ready to go. You're right, there's a lot of steam coming off the water. Look. Pretty early in the morning right now. Still in her night uniform, as you can see. Still got her blanket on. But it's a very nice day. The water's really warm. It's steaming this morning. It's about 6:30, so the sun's already been up for about an hour. But we're gonna catch some bass. Enjoy the video, guys. There you go. Get the net. Get the net, dude. Get the net. Bigger one. I need a net for sure in this one. Ready? There you go. Man, I like that scent. Thank you. Another chunk. It's probably 1.5 pounds, huh? Alright, buddy. Did backflips. Well, the first drop was pretty successful. Ultimately, we thought they would want the tubes at first, but we started using the brush hog, and right away we got 2 immediate fish on the boat. We only did maybe 20 drops at that little spot. We didn't get any more bites other than those two, so we're gonna go try a different spot of the lake where we think there's some bass. How's it going down there? That would be a good idea to be a mermaid. This way. Take your feet, make us go faster. Good. Is that right next to yours? Go spray some bang up in this tube. net. Yeah. Woo! Finally got one on the boat. Jen told me to put some scent on it. She was absolutely right. That's a nice piggy. All right, buddy.
Put it in there.
Woo! It's okay. I didn't think about it, honestly. The old bass boat. Look at that, fish already jumping. We were letting our brush hog soak in bang all night. Got nice and smelly. Crawfish. Just keep that rod bent on, that way you can't throw the hook.
Ooh.
He's a really big one.
Oh my god.
I know. He's a really big one.
Oh, he spit out little things.
Keep that line in. Alright, keep him right there. Come on, boys. There we go! Woo! There's a big one. That was a team job, baby. Holy smokes. Damn. That's a giant. He's a big bass. That's why we came here. For bass like that. Well, that's the end of our fishing video. If you guys enjoyed it, we definitely had a blast out here. And if you guys learned some new tricks or techniques or thought this video was great, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more just like it. Have a great fishing day, guys.